What's up, guys? Jason here at the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. Today is Tuesday, April 15th, and we got a quick one today. It shouldn't take us that long, but I'm doing my first upgrade on the truck, our F-250, and I'm putting in the Husky floor liners, the exact contour model. So here they are. They're in the boxes right now. I got the front and the back seat. Why Husky? I wanted to try something different. I'm usually a WeatherTech guy, but wanted to try the Huskies. They seem like they have a, because the WeatherTechs always have been that like the hard plastic. And I just wanted something different. I know in our 4Runner, they have like, it's like a soft, heavy duty floor mat. And I kind of like those ones. They're kind of nice. So I just want to try something different. No real like technical reason. I just wanted to try, just change it up, try something different. So let's go ahead and I guess we'll start with the back one. That one should be pretty easy. I got everything vacuumed, everything taken out, so we just got to pretty much just install them, and it should be a quick video, so here we go. All right, so nothing else in the box but the mat. So here it is. Here's the big mat. So let's try to put her in there. Here we go. All right, guys, so I went ahead and already took out the factory floor mats. Probably could leave the back ones in. I guess we'll see. But this thing just slides right up in here. So I think we need to go a little closer. All right, let's work on that side. Let's see if we can get everything under here. I'm sure, you know, sitting in the box, these things were kind of, like right here on the corner, it's kind of, you know, it just needs to settle down and it'll contour right to the plastic there. They just need some time just to rest because they've been stuck in that packaging for a minute, so that should be fine. Very good. So I got the seats up right now, so it makes it look, you know, super big, but it's got a nice you know, area for your feet, catch any you know, rocks, pebbles, sand, whatever. And it should be super easy to vacuum out. All right, here's a view from the passenger side. Yeah, it's up on this side a little bit too. So I'm sure a little bit of time, you know, the way it was folded. So it'll eventually just calm down. All right, let's head to the front and we'll put those ones in real quick. Oh man. All right, guys. So, you know, another thing about the Huskies, it's like the same as WeatherTech, you know. They're born in the USA, made in the USA, so we're still supporting American workers. So that's what's cool. So it's nice you have options. You know, you can get the WeatherTech, the Huskies, but that's here's the passenger. So the other box here just had the, you know, the front seats. So there we go. All right, guys. This is the passenger seat. There we go. Passenger seat. Looks good. Look good in there. All right, guys, moving on to the driver's side. Finish this project up. All right, let's see. Gotta get it under the gas pedal. There we go. Okay, we gotta line up. We gotta line up these little bubble things to the floor thing, so we need to go up a little bit. And you kind of feel them, and they just kind of press right on them. It's kind of a neat little, there you go. And they just kind of fit right around there. So now they're, you know, now they don't move. There's these little tabs here, I guess, just hold it right in place. So yeah, that looks great. I actually really like how they reinforce where your foot sits. Because I've seen other mats, they kind of deteriorate. Like the bottom of your heel is usually sitting in here and it moves a lot. And it kind of digs this up. But look, they like reinforce that area. I kind of like that. But yeah, I think it look really nice. So that will keep it looking really nice. Replace that carpet. So okay guys, that was it. It was a quick one. I'll leave a link to Husky's website. Looks like they make mats for all kinds of makes and models. But yeah, I think it was should last me for years to come. So all right guys, so that's it. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. See you next one. Bye guys.